This 2021 Grand Design Reflection 312 BHTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 37 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, TV, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, microwave, LP detector, oven, slide-out, smoke detector, stovetop burner, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Reflection 312 BHTS is 9,466 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.